Aloe vera and rosemary oil is a powerful combo for hair growth, scalp health, and hair shine. To make this oil, I'm going to be using some aloe vera, which hydrates the scalp, soothes irritation. Aloe vera reduces dandruff and strengthens the hair follicles. I'm also going to be using some rosemary, which stimulates blood flow to the scalp, boosting hair growth and reducing shedding. And for carrier oil, I'm going to be using the deeply nourishing olive oil, but please feel free to use coconut oil, jojoba oil, or even castor oil. I already prepped my aloe vera by soaking overnight to get rid of the latex and then cleaning thoroughly and cutting into smaller bits. And also I grinded my dried rosemary leaves. I'll just combine all these ingredients in a pan and set on fire. These are the three major ingredients for this recipe, but please watch till the end to see the optional ingredients that I'm going to be adding when this oil is ready. There are a couple other methods of making this oil that do not involve heating over direct heat, but for reasons such as means and method of preservation and just convenience, this is the method that I find works for me. However, I try to use as little heat and as low as possible. So when I noticed that it was bubbling too fast and was probably going to burn, I had to double the heating rack. So make sure you're using as low heat as possible and stir at quick intervals. You'll see that the aloe vera leaves will start to look dehydrated, so they don't look as green as they did at the beginning, and that's how I know the oil is ready. I allowed the oil sit for about 30 minutes until it was completely cooled, and then I strained using a cheesecloth. You want to make sure to strain completely so that there are no particles of especially the rosemary in your oil, as that can cause the oil to go bad more quickly. And that's why I prefer to use a cheesecloth over a regular kitchen sieve. But this oil as is will stay good for up to 3 months, that is outside the refrigerator. In the refrigerator, it can stay good for even up to 6 months. All you have to do is bottle it up, just like I've done in this video, and store. Now to the optional ingredients I spoke about. I'm using a few drops of my rosemary and lemongrass oil. I made this oil at home, so I'm going to link that video here so you can check it out if you would like to. Although optional, this essential oil is going to give our rosemary and aloe vera oil a stronger aroma while also providing the other benefits of the ingredients. As we already mentioned, rosemary oil stimulates blood flow and cell turnover, thereby promoting hair growth. And lemongrass is antiseptic and antifungal, so it cleanses the scalp and combats irritation. So although this step is optional, it is also essential. Now just go on to stir that properly, and when it has combined nicely, I'll just bottle everything up and our oil is ready. Please leave me your thoughts and comments on this video in the comment section. Do you think that frying aloe vera or any hair oil is a complete no-no, or does this work for you? Am I just doing my village thing? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, to use this oil, you can use it as a pre-poo, you can use it for your scalp massages, you can use it as a sealant as I'm doing in this video to moisturize, and then even for hot oil treatments. But that's it basically for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me your thoughts and comments about this video in the comment section. Feel free to share with anyone you think might need to see it. And for more of such videos, simple DIY hair growth products, hit the subscribe button and join the family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.